3 signs you could lose your foot due to neuropathy in as soon as the next 90 days. What I'm about to tell you goes against everything you've ever heard, because you've been absolutely misled if you think neuropathy is just a result of diabetes, aging, or simply a nerve issue. If everything you've tried so far to relieve your neuropathy pain hasn't worked, this is the specific reason why. According to Ivy League experts, the real root cause of your nerve pain, whether it's peripheral, diabetic, or anything else, is something far more insidious. It's a sticky, vile substance that leading researchers are now calling nerve plaque. Just like cholesterol plaque clogs your arteries, right now, as you sit here watching this video, this Ivy League research reveals that this newly discovered nerve plaque is blocking, overloading, and even poisoning your nerves, causing all that tingling, burning, and cramping that's driving you crazy. And if left unchecked, this plaque can completely kill your nerves, leaving your doctor saying the one word no one with nerve pain or diabetes wants to hear: amputation. I hate to put it this way, but it's critical that you understand the seriousness of your situation. But here's the good news. There's a way to fight back against this nerve plaque that's wreaking havoc on your body right now. All it takes is a simple 30-second ritual, the same one that helped me get rid of the neuropathy in just a few weeks. By following this method, you'll easily clear out all that sticky plaque, regenerate your nerves, and get rid of all the numbness, burning, and tingling in just a few days. I promise you've never seen anything like this before, especially since this discovery was only made recently. But you need to pay close attention to this video, because this solution could be taken away from you at any moment while you're still suffering from neuropathy. That's why in the next 4 minutes of this presentation, I'm going to reveal how anyone, no matter their age, can fight neuropathy better than any drug, cut your pain in half in just a few days, and soon after, eliminate nerve pain for good. It doesn't matter how long you've been suffering, and it doesn't matter that nothing else has worked for you yet. This 30-second ritual has nothing to do with medications, ointments, phototherapy devices, special diets, exercise, or any common supplements.